Is it going? Okay, say hi.
Hi.
So where is your butt? How's it going, everyone? Welcome to Malt. I'm Matt. Welcome to the channel, and today we doing the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride. Woo! It is a charity ride sponsored by Movember. It's actually not run by the same folks who do Movember, just sponsored. Hello. And yeah, I thought it was run by the people who run it. So yeah, I was slightly mistaken. See, another reason I'm not recording the whole thing, this video is actually going to be quite short, is because this is a lot of riders. I think there's 130 something. It was 126 when I signed up. Now we're probably closer to like 130 or so. So there's a lot. I'm sure you can see the line ahead of me. There's a lot of folks. Yeah, what it is, if you didn't know, if you didn't watch the last video, for example, it is a charity event where folks dress up in their Sunday best. So I'm wearing like just suit pants and a vest and a button-up shirt and an ascot. And yeah, people get like dressed really nice and ride around Charlotte in preferably classically styled motorcycles. There is a Harley right behind me, for example, and there is, it looks like, I don't know for sure what that is, but it's definitely not retro. But yeah, like they try to be inclusive, and the point is to raise funds and awareness for men's mental health, suicide prevention, and prostate cancer. So several things that have affected me personally in my life and has affected a lot of people who are doing this ride. It's affected a lot of folks. So yeah, the charity event, it is made specifically for that purpose. I am not doing a good job of riding super smooth right now. I need to focus up a little bit. But yeah, we ride around wherever we happen to be doing the event and raise money. I think this year they said at the start that we have raised $15,000, $40,000, I don't know. He threw out a lot of numbers. But grand total, I know that around the world, worldwide, I think since its inception, the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride has raised over $30 million for this cause. So super amazing, super awesome. So yeah, just it really cool. What else happens at this thing? Not really much of anything else. It's just kind of you ride around in your Sunday best, raise awareness. It definitely gets people's attention when they look out their window and they go, ah, yes, over 100 motorcycles all riding around my Charlotte. Neat. So I'm not the only motorcyclist who's doing this, who's on YouTube. I know for sure Life of Birch is doing it. I know for sure Dan the Fireman is doing it. I don't know anyone else, or I don't know them personally either, but I don't know anybody on YouTube or personally other than those two who are doing it. So yeah, not really much to say. Like I said, I'm not going to talk very long because I do need to focus. There is a lot that can go wrong. And I am wearing no protective gear other than my boots, gloves, and helmet. So gotta be super cautious right now. Anyways, that is basically gonna do it for me. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to donate to this cause, you can just search up the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride, the DGR, online, or if you want to donate to me specifically, you can find my link for my fundraising page down below. And that's really kind of gonna be it. You know the whole deal: like, subscribe, ring bell, all that stuff, comment. But I'm gonna go tight turn, and yeah, have a good one.